Okay, this is a quick vid just to explain why I haven't done a system test in so long. I've been doing a lot of work to the system at the moment. As you probably see, there's bits hanging off the wall, cables not connected, devices that are in fault at the core point. Basically, this is the nearly completed system. I just need to attach the last bit in FP to complete the circuit. As you can see, everything is in fault at the minute. I just reset that. There should be like 1 or 2 devices missing, but there's only 12 will be missing. So I'm now cutting the last bit of cable for this. It might not be. So yeah, everything on here now is connected, apart from the last joint up to the panel. So I'll do a video when I'm done. Thanks for watching. Please comment and like and stuff like that. Thanks for watching.